Hi guys, Christine Summers from Sketch Owl Designs. Um, Back on today to talk about the red blanket tag mockup. So after you purchase the mockup, you will receive a zip file from Etsy that you'll have to download to your computer. So once you do that, you will get right here, you can see that it is a zip file, it kind of has a zipper on it. I usually just do a quick right click and then hit extract all. And then once you hit extract all, you will get this other file. It's named the exact same, except you can see this is just a file folder as compared to the zipped. So if we double click and open that up, you will see three different files. You have your Photoshop file, you have the Canva link. This one specifically is for the square. And then you have the transparent file as well that you can put your design underneath. So if I double click on this, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works and what happens. So I'm going to double click on this, and then you receive this. So you will receive a thank you. Again, this one shows exactly what will happen. And then you can double click this. So this is actually a link. You can double click. And then what happens is that you receive this from Canva. It says a template created by Christine Summers was shared with you. Start designing now. And you just scroll right down and then you can click edit template, and then it opens up in Canva. Okay, so once we open up in Canva, you will see, and you can rename this to whatever you would like. So we're now in Canva, and this is what is called like a frame in Canva. So if you just hover over your mouse on this, what actually happens, and let me switch my screen. Let's make sure everything's showing. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. So this is actually for the ribbon itself that goes over top, but this right here is a smart frame. So let me real quick open up a design and show you how we put the design in there. Okay, so what we do is we just click on uploads. I've already uploaded a design in here. This is my Cuddle and True Crime design, which is available in my shop. And what happens is you can actually just drag it directly over. So you have to, I can put it on top of the image, right? But what I want to do is I want to go right on the frame. So if you now see, I'm still clicking down on my image. I have held my design right over top in this corner, and now the shape of the actual blanket tag is now highlighted. So now I'm going to release, and there you go. And just like that, you have your entire mock-up. And we'll make this a little bit bigger so you can see, but then you have your full mock-up right here. Now, I always suggest to place a watermark, and you can add a layer to this and add a watermark on this. But this is a great way to put any designs that you purchase to sell for your customers so they can see exactly what they're going to get. If you were adding a name to a blanket tag or anything like that, that would also be great. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Again, Christine Summers at Sketch Owl Designs, and the mock-up as well as the design can be found in my Etsy shop. Have a great day. Bye-bye.